Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, would like to see beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. I'm gonna have regular breaks with my fan because it is just so hot. We're in the middle of a heat wave at the moment, and it's meant to be like 38 tomorrow. So yeah, I'm finding it very hard to film or to do anything in this heat. But I have just received yesterday a Beautybay mystery box, and there's a £30 one and a £35 one. At the time of me purchasing, the £30 one was already out of stock, but the one that I got was the £35, which contained 14 Beautybay full-sized items, which I thought sounded really good. I think the total value was over £140 or something. But yes, the box is kind of falling apart, so we are going to unbox this together. So if you want to see what I got inside the Beautybay mystery box, then please stay tuned. I actually haven't got any foundation on today as well, and I don't think my skin looks that bad. This box is literally jam packed full of stuff, so it's like a lucky dip basically. And no doubt I've got a few of these things because I do have a lot of Beautybay products. However, I might just put it on Vinted or something like that, or stick it for a future giveaway. So the first thing that's on top I can see is a brush. So let's just open this up and see what brush there is. I don't think I own any Beautybay brushes, to be fair. So this is called the Glow Up brush, and I assume it's to do with your powder, but you can never have too many brushes. So this is what it looks like. I like the black sleeky handle with the rose gold detailing, and it does feel super fluffy. But yeah, this will be a nice powder brush. But yeah, that was the first item. Next thing I've got is a powder highlighter. So I do already own one highlighters, but I know that they have a few shades, so hopefully this is a shade that I haven't already got. Oh, trophy, I don't actually have this one. This is what she looks like. It looks like a very goldy highlights. Let's swatch it. That's really pretty, but it's going to be too dark for my skin tone, so I'll probably just use it on the eyes, or when I eventually do clients, then it will be perfect for deeper skin tones. And then I look like I've got a Disney Colour Collection Shadow Stick Trio, which I don't actually own anything to do with like their shadow sticks or whatever. So, oh, these are cute colours. So we've got a yellow one, which I believe is the Dumbo one, the purple one, which is Jungle Book, and then the peachy one, which is Alice in Wonderland. So I'll swatch them all for you. Oh, I love that lilac-y one. That would go so nice all over the eye. Actually, these all would, to be fair. Oh, they're so pigmented as well. That is what they look like. I'm quite chuffed with that actually. I would have never bought that otherwise, do you know what I mean? That's why I love mystery boxes. And then we've got the Jade Gua Sha, which is one of those which I actually did want to purchase, to be fair. I keep saying I'm going to get one, but it's one of those things that I just forget about. There's literally so much stuff in here. It's such good value for money, especially if you've not really tried a lot of Beautybay products before. Oh yes, one of these. So I can start. How do you do it like that, innit? And apparently it actually does. Oh, that really hurts though. Apparently it does actually help with your jawbone, which I definitely need. I don't know if I've taken off all my makeup doing that. Oh, so I'm chuffed about that. And then I've also got powder blusher, which I absolutely love their blushes. Oh, coral. I don't think I've got coral. No, I haven't. I've got blossom. So that looks like a beautiful, obviously, coral shade. Quite a deep colour though. That looks beautiful. There. Love that. And then we've got a eyebrow brush, which is the BB208. See, this is what it looks like, but I feel like the end of that is too thick for eyebrows, so I'd probably do like my eyeshadow eyeliner with that, which is what I do every day. So yeah, that's probably the perfect brush for that rather than eyebrows. And then we've got some of the metallic crayons sets. So this is the crayon eyeliner quad. Let's see what colours are in these. So don't say what the names are. So that's them for there. Apologies for the crap swatches. Then we've got something for the skincare. So this is the Nourishing Oil with Hemp and Rosehip. So that one. And this is for de-stressing and conditioning skin, and for all skin types. And then we've got a miniature palette. So this is the Alice in Wonderland 6 colour palette. And I don't know if I've already got this one. This is what the colours look like. I'm not going to take the film off just in case I have already got it, because I brought well, I got free a bundle a few Beautybay hauls ago, which if you've not seen that, then I'll link that down below. And I can't remember if this one was included because there was 3 of them, but equally really pretty colour story. And then we've got another brush, so let's get this one open. So this is an eyeshadow fluffy brush. It feels very, very soft. So this is called Round the Blend. So yeah, so your bog standard large fluffy brush. And then we have a matte lipstick and a plumping lip gloss. I've been dying to try the plumping lip gloss. It's been in my basket and I've been meaning to pick it up, so I'm so glad I didn't. But the matte lipstick is in Bikini. Oh, I actually really wanted the shade. This is the perfect summer shade. So let me just swatch it here. Oh, look at that colour. That is beautiful. I'm so happy about that. And then the plumping lip gloss. Let's get this one open. And it's just a clear plumping gloss. So I wonder what that's going to be like. If it's actually going to be working. If it's going to be comfortable or not. And then I've also got a Brow Fixer Fibre Gel. I didn't even know that Beautybay did that. So let me have a look. So in a very small... Oh, what a perfect little brush. That reminds me of the Beauty Crop kind of brush, which I absolutely like. And I can see all the fibres coming off. And it looks like a clear one as well. So buzzing to try that. And then I think the last thing is the Jade palette, which I do already own, so I will include a photo here. But yeah, they did say that it was going to include their best-selling palette. I didn't realise this was their best-selling one, which I'm glad about because obviously I've already got this. However, so many people might not have it, and this will be a good way for them to buy it. So I think I'm just going to stick this onto my Vinted or something, which I've linked down below if you want to purchase it. So yeah, overall, really, really good because this is usually, I think this is like £28 by itself. And there's so much stuff. Let's do a recap. So we've got an eyeshadow palette. Well, we've got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a blush, a highlight, eyeshadow crayons, some metallic eyeliners, 3 brushes, a nourishing oil, a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a brow fibre gel. And yeah, that's that. That was really good for £35. I'm absolutely buzzing about that. I'm so glad I bought this. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of this box. Is this something that you'd buy? Hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Bye!